Is somebody going to have a birthday this week? Yes? Are you going to be two? Are you going to be two? Up? Is he going to climb up my little tripod? Yes. Wee. Hi. Mommy. Oh, Mommy.
Come here.
Mommy doesn't want to be on camera.
No, I don't. Mama. Messed up.
Yeah. Hi, honey. Hi, baby.
No.
Oh. You want to see?
You want to sit? Oh, I put your chair over there.
Hey, everybody. It's Debbie. Yeah, you're still at your home, your happy place. I know. This, doesn't it look like a picture? Like it's painted? I love it. Okay, well, Summer's going to take us all over the place. Got a little background noise there. Hi, honey. Do you want, come here. Let's let them see you. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Whoopsie. Oh, who's that? Is it you? Can you wave hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Well, this little dumpling is going to be celebrating her second birthday. Second? Two. Yes. Yes. At my house, we're having a pool party this weekend. And wow, there's a lot going on. Plus, we're closing on our house Friday. So I wanted to get some content in here, and my daughter just created the most beautiful oasis on her deck. And so we're doing a little show and tell. So, little sweetheart, can we say goodbye? Can you go bye-bye? Yeah. I'm going to give you to Mommy. For those of you that are new, oh, she's crying because she had to leave me. I just live up the street from my daughter. She's been here for like 13 or 14 years, and we've been here for 3. And I was with her when they were looking for a house, and when she came here, I mean, every window in this house has this spectacular view, which every season, oh my goodness, it's glorious. I know my view's pretty, but I love hers too. Okay, so we're going to do some show and tell, and then I am going to let you know where everything's from. Okay, this isn't a big space. Well, maybe it is. It is a big space. It's in a little bit of a L shape. A little part of it's covered, and she has set up an exquisite eating area, and that was using something old. In fact, it may have been ours. We may have given it to her. And then some old furniture that she gave a facelift to this year with new cushions and a new rug and a couple of other accents. So let's get started. This is one of her favorite places to sit. I ask her sometimes why she's not facing the view, but I don't know. It is great for her to be able to watch her kids playing on the deck. She has got the prettiest, I'll have to ask her where she got it from. I don't remember anymore. Egg chair. I have an egg chair too, but mine doesn't have these cup holders and magazine holders in here. And then she got herself a little ottoman. And this is new, this beautiful wooden table, which is also storage, and a little pot. And it just makes the perfect spot. She loves to read. Sometimes she does her work out here. And then this is an old, I think it was mine, and I believe it was from Home Depot. But, you know, you've seen them, you guys. It's a tiled table and chairs, and she just made it really cute by adding this sweet little tray and the candle and the little succulent. She already had this because I was eyeing it. You guys, I know I love a pink flamingo. And her rug is new. But the pièce de résistance is over here. So let's go see all about it. Okay, so we just went through everything. Isn't this beautiful? So this fountain she got on Wayfair this year. And Of course, there's lighting you can see. So as the sun sets, this becomes really more dramatic. And it's a very quiet fountain. It's beautiful. She just picked this one up today at Hobby Lobby. I've not seen this one there before. This is gorgeous. Wow. She got her rug this year at Target. And as I said, this was old furniture, but this year they got new cushions, which are, yeah, they're coming across true to color. They're a very pale baby blue, and they're from Home Depot. And then today she got the purple pillows at Home Goods. And I think they used to use this as kind of a little table for the boys to do like coloring and stuff on, but it makes a really nice big end table over here. She got a little chair. That looks old. I thought she got a little chair for the baby. Well, she's got a video of the baby out here with a book reading today. How cute is that? And so more cushions with old furniture. And then you guys have seen this at my house, the Just Relax pillow. That's Hobby Lobby. And now I'm forgetting. I think this was Target, actually. That's really a pretty plant. So let me step back. Hey, Lou. This is Lulu. Oh, this was TJ Maxx. This, I told you, was old, but it's Sam's Club and Target, I believe. So all of that. The majority of the accessories that you're seeing. Oh, the fireplace. She was trying to turn it on, but she doesn't know how. That's Amazon. So really, I mean, it's an oasis out here. It's the prettiest way to entertain. And let me take you up higher so you can see all the peaks. And because the trees are grown in, I don't think you can, I can see my house, but you all can't. I know you can't, but it's right through those trees up on the hill. Well, you guys, I know this is a super short video. I wanted to bring you something. I was getting ready to do something else, and I'm on the phone with my daughter, and she's showing me all the stuff she bought for the party, which is going to be adorable, except it's supposed to rain. Pray for no rain on Saturday. But I said, oh, I have to come down. I need to film this because this is, it's starting. We're having Father's Day. We're having 4th of July. Maybe you've got some other kind of entertaining going on, and maybe you just need those few little items to, snazz up your deck or your patio or porch. And I just thought she did such a beautiful job down here. She was about 3 weeks ago just so depressed. Everything looks a mess out here, Mom, and I just don't know. And then the next week, all this stuff, she just did it. And I'm so proud of her, and she did such a great job. I will link everything below. I'm having her birthday party on Saturday. We've got family coming because she's family. So we've got family coming from out of town that will be filling up our house. And we're going to have another party to celebrate Father's Day this weekend, and we're closing on our house on Friday. So my week, not to mention hair, nails, the dentist, I can go on and on. So I'm going to try and squeeze another video in. If I don't, I am certainly sorry. It's not my intent to leave you guys hanging, but summer has started and everything gets so busy. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for your time. If you're new, welcome. I hope you subscribe, and I can't wait to share more content as the beautiful days of summer unfold. God bless. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, you guys. I just had this trick done by my almost 9-year-old grandson, my oldest. And you just have to watch because I can't even believe it. So let me lower my video camera. Maybe Mom can hold it. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's get a professional in here who can photograph this. Okay. What's your name? Uh-oh, you dropped something. Ooh, it smells good. I need dinner. What's your name?
Cal.
Cal, can you come over here? And this is?
Crew.
Crew. And these are my two oldest grandboys. Okay. All right, let's see the trick.
Okay. So pick any card.
Okay.
Now don't show me it. I don't know. Okay. Now put it somewhere in. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, Crew, the refrigerator. Go get the fridge.
All right.
Okay, now I'm gonna do this.
Okay, stay in the camera. Let's see.
Mama.
Hi. Hi, Debbie. It's Debbie, yeah. Let's see.
Okay. Is this your card?
I just show him. What? And it wasn't the same card he did before, so the whole deck is not that. I don't know how you're doing this, but it's amazing.
None of them are the same.
Oh my goodness. Wow. All right. Let's all give him applause. Yay, Cal. All right, guys. See ya.